So over here you can see that I have an image right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and unsharpen this. So to go ahead and do that, I can actually utilize something called Adaptive Unsharpen. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the effects menu, and then we'll go around onto the sharpen section right here. And then over here you can see that Adaptive Unsharpen is an option. Once you go around over here, you can immediately see that it unsharpens out the image a bit. I can go ahead and decrease out the percentage of the sharpen right here, and you can see that it is quite blunt. Let me just go ahead and zoom in, and as I drag in the slider, you can see that the image becomes much more sharper right here, and you can see a pretty big difference as you can see right here. And this is how you can utilize the Adaptive Unsharpen effect to sharpen out your image much more inside of CorelDRAW as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.